there's less weight on the landing gear, etc. Kind of scary in a weird way, but I know the tension on board is quite horrible. I've got a gentleman next to me who's quite worried, etc. It's so horrible to be in this position. Inshallah we'll be okay and we'll land safely. And yeah. God,
fuel is distributed in this airplane, not all of the fuel can be jettisoned out of the tube in the back of the wing that we spoke about. Some of it has to be burned from the engines. So getting rid of all the fuel that we are able through the jettison tube, the aircraft still would land above the max landing weight. Engineering was a little concerned that that would delay the aircraft onward service to London because it would need to be taken out for maintenance checks. So there's some discussions now with Airbus and the technical department as to how much fuel or what weights would be acceptable for us this evening. So I do apologize, and I don't have any information as they're in contact with France at the moment to find out some information on that. It does seem like a lot of technical information. I know it's not a highly technical problem that we do have. I think the operations and the engineers in Dubai are just doing the best they can to protect the onward service of the aircraft. So we do appreciate your continued patience. I unfortunately don't have an estimate in the time for you. I appreciate you being in the seats for a while. I'll let the seatbelt sign off for a little while. We're just off the coast of the UAE at 10,000 feet. It is quite clear and smooth as you can tell. And then when more information comes, I'll get back to you.
Şu paranın bir spesiyeli.